I'm staying at the Barcelo in Guatemala City, and the first place I was told to visit was this mall. It's a super windy, rainy day. I chose the wrong time of the year to come down here, but I guess I gotta make best of it. Right now, I'm in a part of Guatemala City called Zona 10, zone number 10, which is supposed to be like a very high-end area. That mall right there is called Próceres. That's where I'm heading now. And we're gonna check it out. What I heard from the Uber driver is that at night this area gets very lively. There's a section over there where it's lined up with cafes, restaurants, and bars. So I don't know if I'm gonna be around at that time, but I'll check it out if I am. Other thing was that many people told me it's super dangerous here, and it might be. I mean, the streets look pretty empty to me. To be honest with you, I don't even know which street I'm on. I got dropped off by the Uber. I told him to take me to Próceres, which is that spot right there. And here I am. So let's continue with this. This is my first time in Guatemala City, and to be honest with you, I'm pretty nervous. Everybody I spoke with in LA told me that this city is dangerous, and there's a really good possibility I'm gonna get mugged. I'm gonna cross the street. Looks a little dangerous, looks a little hairy. What's going over here? Más de un tattoo and disco. Looking back on this, I should have gone in there and checked it out, but I'm pretty new to YouTube and I'm still trying to figure things out. The Disco Music Lounge was a vinyl record shop and t-shirt shop, and it probably would have made good content if I checked it out. You know, a lot of these shops are closed. I'm not really sure why they're closed. It could be because it's a Sunday, or maybe because there's a storm coming. I don't know. This looks a little hairy. They just keep coming. I'm gonna have to force my way across. There you go. Looks like everybody's running over trying to catch that bus that just came. Con permiso, ¿cómo se disculpe? That was a little hairy. Look at this thing. That's pretty awesome. You don't have to cross the street. They got a little bridge. Let's take that bridge and check it out. Con permiso, disculpe. Gracias. Oh, this thing's like a 2 stories high. This is gonna be awesome right here. I should have brought the drone. Whoa. Yeah, this thing's dope. Let's see if I'm still recording here. Yeah, still recording. So it looks like they got a main street down here. I'll find out what the name of the main street is later. But in order to get across, they got this bridge, which is pretty awesome because that's a pretty heavy trafficked street. trafficked. I don't know. This is the mall right here. I think maybe I'll go around this way, check it out. So I was giving some advice before I came down here, and one of them was don't catch a taxi if you don't know them or the hotel didn't recommend them. But I was just real nervous, man, because I've never been to a small country like this, and I'm out here on my own, so just everything everyone was telling me and just had me on edge. But I kept telling myself, man, I'm from LA. There's some rough areas out there too, and if you conduct yourself right and you just keep an eye out and make sure you're not in areas where you're not supposed to be, you should be okay. That's what I told myself anyway. Yeah, but honestly, I don't know what I'm going to do at this mall. I don't have to buy anything. I don't need anything. I guess I'm just going to look around and waste some time. I came in through the food court, and it looks like there's a Subway here. There's McDonald's and a bunch of other Guatemalan fast food joints. I didn't really look at them. I wasn't hungry, so I just kept on going. Looks like they sell motorcycles at a department store. I thought it was kind of funny. It's like if you go into Best Buy and you buy a bike, right? But they're like 125cc motorcycles. People don't really use big motorcycles out here. It's almost like going into Best Buy and buying a motorcycle. See what else around here. I don't know if this is supposed to be a high-end mall. Might be. Huh. I'm gonna go check out that street in a bit. Some fancy dresses. This must be the fancy dress floor. Pepe. I need a shirt that says Pepe across the chest. That's a dude dressed up. Ooh, I need that. Oh shit, you get a leather hat. I think that's women's clothes. One more floor. Let's go check out that last floor. I actually have an appointment. I have a reservation at a pretty nice restaurant, so I'm just kind of killing time until it's time to go to the restaurant. I Ubered over here. I'm going to be Ubering around. It was $3 to Uber up here from my hotel, which is like a mile, 2 miles away. Oh, they got another floor?